Hey everybody, welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. Today I want to introduce you to Rusty. This is my new pupper. Say hi, baby. He is a really good boy. He was born on September 30th, which is also my husband's birthday. He is super calm. He's just very, very sweet. He likes to be where I am at all times. So Rusty right now is learning how to walk on the leash. He's learning all of his commands, sit and stay and heel, and he's so good. He's just a really good boy. His favorite treat is pig ears. That is his favorite. And it sounds, oh, I have a neighbor here, so I guess it's time to go. Thank you for watching this video and taking a peek at my little Rusty boy. I guess it's time for us to go. So I'm going to go say hi to my neighbor that's outside waiting for me, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!